Hello fellow traders, it's Rafał Zuchowicz and welcome to my channel. In this video we will practically test the strategy that I introduced to you last time. That's the 5-minute scalping strategy with 95% probability. At least that's how much we got in the previous video on, I think, over 10 trades. So we are on British pound to Japanese yen right now, and this is our setup. So this is something we will be looking for. Let's recap. This is our green line, so that means this is our psychological number. It's at 164.00, and what happened? The price came to this level, broke through. It already came close to this level. There was a rejection. There's another rejection. Now we broke through this level and we came back to previous highs. We didn't take the previous highs. So these are previous highs. 1, 2, 3. We could even mark them. Trend line, properties. So these are our previous highs. And okay, now we have a new previous high. Yeah. So now what are we looking for? We are looking for breakthrough. You can see that I have already opened some sell position here. So it's very tiny position because that's the account for the challenge of $20 to 52,000. So I want to explain to you because most of you will be using this strategy for this challenge. So it's done on this account of $20. Therefore, you remember 0.03. Okay, we need to speed up because the price is coming in our direction. So the idea is that once we break below, so we don't want to buy limit, we want the sell stop. So this is our order. We place the sell stop. Maybe I could change the background real quick so we can see actually the position. So this is the position, sell 0.3. This is previous one. Don't worry about it. It's not related to this strategy. And that's the sell stop. So we are setting the sell stop, and hopefully the price, what we can do as well, let's go to the indicator and change the colors. So instead of having this in this green forest, which we cannot see, we will set it a little bit more visible. So now we have a white color, and once the price will break through, so that's what we hope for, at least we will break through, and hopefully we will get somewhere in this direction. So yeah, we can change the color to nice red, so we know that this is bearish idea and we will be going this way. What we can do as well, we can set some other levels like Fibonacci levels and try to get the profits maybe a little bit earlier if there is a reaction. Or this is 100 here on this level. So we can remember these levels for now and see what price will do. What we can do as well, just set the trading alert, and when the price will come here, we will get the sound like so. I don't know if you heard the sound. Okay. So we don't need to stay here and stare at the chart. We can do some other things. You can watch my other videos in the meanwhile, educate yourself a bit more, or just read some book, whatever. Hoover your room, tidy up. I bet it's dirty. So yeah, let's pause the video. Let's see what will happen. So that's what's happening. Market is playing with us. There was a little bit of a bullish candle going up. never came above this resistance, above the previous stop that we drew previously, and now there is a chance that we will break lower. Let's have a look what will happen. Here we are, the trade has been triggered, so we are in a trade. The previous one, of course, is I lost my pointer. Here it is. That's what happens when you have few screens. Okay, so this is the trigger, and you see classic behavior. So the price is checking the previous bottom and pulling a little bit up, but we need to be patient. We need to believe in the in our trade. For now, we just need to wait. Our trade is developing, so we should be in profit. Let's check. Yeah, that's my previous one, so ignore this one. That would be the trade according to the strategy I teached you about yesterday. And yeah, what we can do, where is our line? This is our line. So good practice is obviously to have some take profit, and depends how much we need of the profit. Our 20 pips would be already here, and I think that's a good profit. So we take our 20 pips. So yeah, so that would be 437 USD on $20. It's a little bit too small because the challenge tells us we should have $6, but it's because I set it to 0.03, which is for euro dollar. But with the GBP JPY, I should have done that on 0.04. But let's stick to the plan. And this is our level as well, like Fibonacci level, so we can try to take this profits here. Of course, if you wish to take it later, add the green lever, you can observe what's happening. You can as well switch to M1. You've got your levels, and watch what's going on these levels. So we can zoom a little bit, and so far so good. Let's pause the video. So our price doesn't want to go further for now. We need to be patient. But yeah, that's the resistance. So we have a movement up. Now the previous support become a resistance. So hopefully we will bounce off and we'll go further. Nice movements, everything according to our strategy. So far so good. So let's have a look what happened so far. That was our trigger at this point. Nice black candle going and closing below the previous level. Then the retest of the previous bottom. So we've got the one movement, correction, another movement, correction up to the previous support, now became resistance, and continuation of the movement. So far we are doing well. I'm here on $8, which is much more, but this is $2. We can actually switch it. There is a nice trick, profit, and do it as points. So we have 14 pips so far. This is the take profit that we set. You can see that it's already leading as green because we are getting close to our take profit. And yeah, so 10 pips, so we are halfway there. Once we hit the take profit, this will be our 20 pips, and we are good and proud of ourselves. Let's see if that will happen anytime soon. We are getting dangerously close to our take profit. Hopefully This is it. Hopefully we will hit it. It's 16 pips, almost 16 pips so far, which is very good. Okay, that's our signal that we are close. That's the alarm I said before. I can delete it now. I'm alerted. Yeah, so you just need to be patient. You need to watch what's going on. You could even leave it if you have a stop loss in place, or you can switch it to break even at this point. But these are very short moves, so the break even might be taken, and then what? You will lose your trades, and then the price might go back. So that's the dangers of break even. You need to know when to put them. And you see, the market knows exactly where we have our take profit. Look where we came. This is crazy, huh? It's funny. Look at that. Yeah, the market came exactly to our take profits, and it got shy. But we need you, Mr. Markets or Mrs. Markets, to come all the way to this line. Come, and then you can reverse, give us our 20 pips that we came here for to complete our first day of challenge, and to prove that the strategy I told you about yesterday is working. Okay, we can use this time for some recap. So what you need to remember, guys, okay, important thing, this is strategy for 5-minute charts. 5-minute charts. This is our line of psychological number, sweet spot, 164.00. You can see that the price came nearby. Retrace it. Again, retrace it. Broke through, retrace it. So that was our signal that this level was taken. This level has been taken at this point. So we are waiting for the breakthrough and continuation of this movement. That's what we want. That's why we're not sure if this will happen, or that was like a false breakout and then the price might go up. That's why we are waiting with our decision, setting the sell stop. So trading, sell stop. And bang, the trade is closed. Both of them should be closed. I don't know, just one is. Maybe I didn't set the take profit. Okay, I'm taking both profits. And from $20 to $32. Of course, our trade was only on 20 pips. The previous one was like an extra trade that I took based on different philosophy of trading, which I will teach you as well. So if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss all the strategies I'm teaching you. I want you to be successful. Okay, perfect. Trade is done. Nothing to say, as I said before. Yeah, breakthrough. We set our stop, sell stop, and bang, here we are. Thank you very much, guys. If you like this video, watch one of these videos that I will leave here for you. And I wish you all the best with your trading. You are great. I appreciate your support to this channel. All your likes, subscriptions, comments, they make me want to record more videos. So please do so. It makes me happy, and I know that I bring value to your life. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.